All right, here we are. Tires off. Roadmaster active suspension is there. Added to the leaf springs with the bump stop. Supposed to be able to take 25% of the load and up to 40% of the load. So that's what was installed before when we had the trailer, and now we're just correcting it because it's a little shifted and clicking. But there you go. We gotta work on some rust down here, see what's going on with the diff. But outside of that, everything else looks pretty good. I had to add to this video because if you have an F-150, I'm assuming 2021 plus, with the LED headlights where they self-adjust, the hole that you need to have on the bracket is in the second position at minimum. I'll show you why, and you again at minimum because mine was and still had a little bit of an issue. So it really caused this really irritating squeak, and I can't stand squeaks, but found it. Here's a picture of it. Absolutely love these, so highly recommend them. And that's it for now. Until next time, hit that like, subscribe, forward, all that fun jazz.